last class we had discussed about logical equivalence. Now we'll be discussing tautology and contradictions. First thing, tautology. So whenever if given any proposition, suppose you are getting that final truth values, all the truth values to be true, then that particular proposition is called as a tautology. And suppose if you are getting all falses, all truth values to be falses, then it is called as a contradiction. If you are getting true as well as falses, then it is neither tautology nor contradiction. Okay, so let's look at some examples. Now first one, what we have is P or negation of P. So since we have only one statement, that is P, there will be only two cases. Okay. Statement will be either true or false. Now we have P, we have to go for negation of P. So let's say negation of P. Since P is true, negation will be false. P is false, negation will be true. Next is we have to write P or negation of P. So in case of or false is false, otherwise for all other cases it is going to be true. So true, so that's like P or negation of P. True or false, it is going to be true either or case, and false or true also going to be true. Now since in this proposition both are truths, all the values are true, this is called as a tautology. So this proposition P or negation of P is tautology. Okay, next one, P and negation of P. So first let's write conditions for P. It is true and false, negation will be false and true. Now in case of and true is true, otherwise for all other cases it is going to be false. So true and false, this is P and negation of P. This will be false, again false and true will be false. Now since both are falses, this P and negation of P is contradiction. Okay, so if your final statement, that compound statement or proposition, if all the values are true, then it is called as a tautology. If all the values are false, it is called as contradiction. If you are getting mixed values, like you are getting true as well as falses, so in such cases it is neither tautology nor contradiction. Okay, so let's move on to another example. So here we have to write truth table for negation of P and Q and P or Q. We have to check whether this is tautology, contradiction or neither nor. Okay. So again here we have two statements. So we have to write 4 cases, all possible cases. Those are both can be true, first true, second false, first false, second true, or both can be falses. Now always start with bracket. So I am starting with this first bracket. In first bracket we have to find P and Q. Now in case of and, it is true and true is true, otherwise for all other cases it is false. So true and true, this will be true, true and false, false, false and true, false, false and false is again false. Because only if both are true, then only it is going to be true, otherwise for all other cases it is false. Now we got this bracket, let's move on to this complete compound statement, that is negation of P and Q. So we have P and Q, we have to find negation of that. So opposite of that true, then this will be false, false, true, true and true. So we are done with this part. So we have to go for now next bracket, that is P or Q. Now in case of or, false or false is false, otherwise for all other condition it is going to be true. So true or false, true either or condition, false or true, again true either or condition, false or false is going to be false. So we got this first part, we got even second part. Now we have to connect both the compound statements using connective AND. So we have to connect now negation of P and Q and P or Q using connective AND. So in case of AND, true is true, otherwise for all other cases it is false. So false and true, false, true and true, this is going to be true, true and true, this is true, true and false, this is false. Now in this case we are getting falses as well as truths, right? So this is neither tautology nor contradiction. So in this case this is therefore negation of P and Q, and P or Q is neither tautology nor contradiction.